Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Isnur Agilananta, and today I want to present about part of speech. So, what is part of speech? Part of speech refers to categories of words based on their function is in a sentence. Each word serves a specific role in a communication, and there are 8 parts of part of speech. The first we have noun, name of people, place, or thing, or ideas. Number 2, we have pronoun, replace noun to avoid repetition. And number 3, we have verb, show action or state of being. And number 4, we have adjective, describe noun or pronouns. And number 5, we have adverb, modify verb, adjective, or other adverb. And number 6, we have preposition, show relation between our words. And number 7, we have conjunction, connects word, phrase, or clause. And number 7, we have, the last one is interjection, express emotion or reaction. And this for the example. Noun for the example is Ali read the books and happiness is important. And the noun is reads and the second one is happiness. And number 2, we have pronoun. Pronoun for the example is she loves music and they are students. The pronoun is she and they. And the verb, number 3 is verb. Verb is, for the example, he runs every morning and she is happy. And for the verb is runs and moves to adjective. And for the example is a beautiful flower and a tall building. The adjective is beautiful and the second one is tall. When we have adverb, for the example, is he sings sweetly and he runs very fast. And for the preposition is in, on, at, under, and the conjunction is a joint word or phrase, and, but, because. And for the interjection is emotional express, is oh, wow, and hey. Okay, move to the next one is at a glance. There are X main part of speech in English: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Each play a unique role in forming sentence and expressing complete ideas. Understanding the part of speech help us build a clear, grammatically correct sentence, choose the right word for different contexts, and improve both writing speaking skill by mastering them. Learners can develop stronger foundation in English, grammar, and communicate more effectively in any situation. And this is for the case study 1. The sentence is, unlike going to crowded place, but my friends like. The morpheme is I, plus like, go plus thing, to, crowd plus ed, place plus s, but my friend likes s, and the and for the bound morpheme, free morpheme is I. I like go to crowd place, but my friend and the and for the bound morpheme is an, ing, ed, and s. Number 3, we have function. An is for derivational prefix, change meaning to opposite like to unlike. And s is for inflectional suffix, marks plural place or third person singular verb. This is theories, and this is a case study number 2. In the left, we have identify morpheme, inflectional versus derivational. This is in this we have play, to play it, management, talk to talking, hopeful. The morpheme type play is derivational, management is inflectional, talk talking is derivational, hope to hopeful is derivational. And on the left, we have difference in meaning, function, and word. This is play, to play. The change is to create noun. The meaning is past tense of play. The word class is verb to noun. And with management, this is change show tense or aspect. The act of management is managing, and word class is verb to verb. And the third with talking, this is a correct adjective. This is a continuous, and this is tense, noun, verb to adjective. And the last one we have hopeful. Hopeful is a mark past tense, and full of hope. The meaning is full of hope, and the word class is verb to verb. The next one is this is the revisional tree, the syntax tree. And this is the play to play it, and this is verb, and management is a noun. Okay, this is the theory also. And the next one is case study 3. A student say that when is the past tense of go because of the ed rule, and why when cannot be explained via the regular ed morphology rule. The standard rule for forming the past tense of regular English verb is to add the suffix ed, like walk, walked, talk, to talk, and the verb go does not follow the pattern. It is past tense is when, which is not formed by adding ed to go. Historically, when come from a different verb altogether, Old English when done to turn or go. Rather than being go plus ed, this means the past form is use a different root rather than a fiction because the relationship between go and when is not derivable. From the usual productive inflectional rule, verb plus ed, the studying claim is incorrect. When does not follow the regular rule and must be accounted for as a irregular preset lexical form rather than a rule implication. In a morphological term, when in the case suppression, see below, rather than standard inflection. This is the number 2 definition, suppletion plus examples. Suppletion is a morphological phenomenon in which one form of a lexeme is replaced by an entirely different root or stem rather than by a regular affixation or phonological alternation. In other words, the past order form is not derived by applying the usual inflectional rule, but instead use a distinct root. And because of this, the form must be memorized rather than generated by rule. For example, in English, go to when, the classic example, and good, better, or best. Adjectives and superlative, the comparative superlative are not formed by gooder or goodest. And this is be, am, is, are, was, were. The verb to be used to multiply different roots than a simple be plus ed. And of the next one, this is how superlative forms are represented in mental lexicon according to morphological theory. Because supplementive form cannot be predicted by morphological rules, they are generally thought to be stored as a whole lexical entities rather than composed by rule. In the mental lexical now, and regular inflection are generated by rule, like stemmed, and thus might be processed by a rule application in a pathway. Irregular or supplementive form when are retrieved from lexical memory as store whole item. Because rule application fails in this view, go and when are linked as a member of the same lexema or paradigm. But when is stored separately or in special English supplex because it cannot be derived by a productive rule. Additionally, because supplementive form often are high frequency the items they represent might show like strong lexical trace and faster retrieval, reinforcing their storage as a distinct item. Some research suggests that morphological decomposition, breaking words into morpheme, is more likely for transfer. Regular form refer for a bulk, suppletive form, the whole word represent dominates. The mental lexicon does hold Gowen as a connected inquiry like linked entries. And this is theory. Move to the next one is this is the case study, and this is the study. This is a word. It's a greenhouse. Green plus house is a compound. Adjective plus noun. This is adjective and noun. And this is a endocentric versus exocentric and compound. And blackboard, this is black plus broad, this is compound sentence. This is adjective plus noun. And also smartphone, it's smartphone, it's a compound also. And the adjective is smart, and the noun, the phone is noun. And the pickpocket, this is a pick plus pocket. This is also compound, the pick is verb, and the pocket is noun. And the second one is endocentric versus excentric compound. For the example is greenhouse is endocentric. The reason is the head of house determines meaning a kind of a house. And blackboard is endocentric also, a type of board. And smartphone is endocentric. The kind of phone, the headphone, defines category. And pickpocket is exocentric, meaning it's not a literal pocket that picks, but a person who steals the pocket. And the next one, we have how meaning emerge. In endocentric compound, meaning depends on the head. Second element, the modifier. First element, species quality of the head. Greenhouse, a house is a head, and the green is a modifier. In eccentric compound, meaning extend beyond the literal head. Modifier relation, it is metaphorical or idiomatic. For example, pickpocket, a person who picks pocket, not type of pockets. And the fourth is stress, pattern, and meaning. In English compound on, typically, we have primary stress on the first element, while adjective plus noun phrase have stress on the second blackboard compound. One word meaning teaching tool and blackboard on any board that happen to be black. This is and this stress help listener distinguish between lexical compound, single conceptual unit, and syntactic phrase to separate meaning. And this is for the theoretical perspective. And move to case study 5. This is the morpheme, the individual classification. This is unbound, prefix meaning not, classification derivational, belief is free morpheme, base root or verb. This is able, this is bound morpheme, suffix meaning capable of being, it's a derivational, as a nurse is a bound, and suffix forming noun from adjective. It's a derivational. Then this is the 3. This is an is a prefix, believe is a verb, able is affixes, and believable is adjective, and unbelievableness is a noun. Okay, that's all for me. Okay, thank you very much for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.